we couldn't figure out why the link wasn't working. We're like, what the heck?
Because I always open it and then I send a link to you guys and then I like just close it and I don't bring it up, so I just forget to click start broadcast.
I know, that's happened to me before too. With other classes. Okay, number 5.
So 5 would
I think is the megaphone.
the megaphone?
Yeah, I think. No. Wait, it says no pattern.
The pattern, right?
What?
Wouldn't it be the pattern?
Yeah, but it said you wouldn't see a pattern in the residuals.
So then the megaphone.
I don't know.
But it says it supports it. Actually, I'm just gonna go with your answer. I don't know.
Well, it's not an option. It doesn't give an option for no pattern, so.
Mm.
It like literally says like you hope to see no pattern in residuals for a linear relationship.
So then I think the megaphone one is the right one.
What do you think, Betsy?
Somebody's got to change the battery in their fire alarm.
Karma.
That's not me.
Jordan.
It's not me, I swear. I hear it, and it's always. I'm pretty sure it's always Carla.
Are you?
It's every meeting, and it's when Carla gets on.
Get a battery, Carla.
Maybe it's my freaking computer because there's nothing going on here.
Okay, I'll point it out next time.
Maybe it is mine.
You're probably just used to it. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry. Number 5.
Oh, that noise.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, I didn't hear it that time.
Yeah, we just moved in here like during the summer, and like I guess we got used to it. Thanks for the heads up.
Not me. I don't know what noise you're talking about.
I'm like, man, isn't
fire? My bad. Okay. Question. Wait, what do you think about question 5, Betsy?
I have no clue.
I don't really understand what it's asking. Supports using linear regression. So a plot of residuals, is it asking like if you see a plot of residuals, when do you use linear regression?
Yeah, I think so.
Is that what it says? If linear regression is appropriate, then the residual plot will show no patterns and will consist of random scatter.
Yeah, that's what I
So
thought.
the megaphone.
I don't even know. Sure.
Let's go with megaphone.
Okay.
But that's I don't understand what shape that is.
Yeah, what's the megaphone shape?
Like a picture of a megaphone? But that's still a pattern. If the residuals are all positive, that doesn't necessarily mean there's a pattern, right?
Yeah.
Like,
I don't know.
Oh, wait. A megaphone shape occurs when points tend to be close together on one side of the graph and farther apart on the other side of the graph. If there is a megaphone shape apparent in the residuals, it suggests that the variance is not constant for all values of x.
So
okay, so that's a pattern. Curvature is a pattern, megaphone, and outliers are all patterns. Did you hear that, Carla?
yeah.
it's not a megaphone.
No, I think it's the positive ones because that's the only.
Yeah, I feel like that makes the most sense.
It's the only thing that doesn't look like it has a pattern.
Yeah. Of that.
So we're going with
All right.
positive?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can blame me if it's wrong.
No, I agree with you.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, I had to pull up the Excel sheet.
It's okay. Oh my goodness.
Gosh, you guys must be like really nice, easygoing people because if I lived in that house, I would just kill someone with that thing beeping all the time.
Just
Now that you mentioned it, I feel like pay attention to it all the time now.
Now it's gonna bother you.
are you still hearing it?
Me?
Either of you?
Yeah, I heard it a
Yeah.
couple times.
Oh, I haven't heard it. Normally I do hear it.
I think it's like once a minute.
That's terrible.
Something like that.
That sounds awful.
I'll count.
I always wondered what that was.
Oh my gosh.
No, dude, I like noticed it like the first 2 weeks, and then after that, I kind of like forgot about it. And now that you mention it, it's gonna drive me nuts all over again.
I was wondering what that was.
All right, I'm gonna mute my freaking microphone.
The score. In this Excel sheet, which one is the dependent? It's the one in
It tells you.
where?
It says the confidence variable is the explanatory variable, and the score variable is the response variable.
Oh, cool. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay. This graph on here doesn't go negative. So,
Really?
yeah, it starts at 0. So,
Well, maybe that's just because this data doesn't go negative.
yeah, maybe.
It's not linear. It's not negative. I don't know what it would be.
Is this what yours looks like? Can you see it?
Yeah, that's what mine looks like. Actually, I kind of think that would be linear.
Yeah, that's what I think. Because if not, then we eliminated all three.
Yeah.
And it does look like a line. Then I gotta plug the computer in.
Right skewed.
Sorry, what?
Right skewed. Skewed, whatever.
Yeah.
I have no idea for this question.
For 8?
Yeah.
Use software to create a scatter plot of data.
Would it just be a linear relationship? Oh, you have to select
Yeah.
all that apply. That's great.
Linear relationship. I don't think they're normally distributed.
You know. I don't understand the second one.
Let me see. I'm actually not sure what the second one is because in the videos and the reading, it just used it as if I should know what it is already. So I was kind of nervous about it.
So for constant variance, it says that you'd hope to see no megaphone shape in the residuals.
Okay, so it is that then? Because there's not a megaphone shape.
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, maybe there is a megaphone shape actually. Because they're closer together in one end and spread out in the other end. Actually, I think that is a megaphone shape. But what does it mean to measure without error?
Um,
Well, for number 9, did you get 12.695?
let's see one. What did you say? 12.695?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got.
So when x's are measured without error, it means that they are considered known constants.
Or what?
I just don't know how to tell that. That's all.
Me neither. Oh, I have in my notes when x's are known constants, x's should be measured accurately and precisely. It also says it can't be checked directly.
So,
Well, I guess the observations are independent.
I'd say yeah for that.
So we have the first and the two last ones checked,
mhm.
right?
Yeah.
Let's just go with that.
Okay.
We have a bunch of tries.
Okay, number 10.
Oh, this one should be. Um, 10.674 and 14.715. Is that what you got?
Yep.
Carla, are you still there?
Yeah. I was trying to get my Excel to work. There's always something.
Yeah, if that's not right, then I don't know what to do. So
If what's not right.
if what we just put.
Oh, I think that's right.
For the lower and upper.
Yeah.
Hold on, where do you put the level of significance?
Um,
Is that X? I don't know.
I don't know.
No, it's A.
No, you don't put it in the sheet. You just use the p-value to compare against it.
Oh yeah.
So you reject when the p-value is greater than the level of significance? Or no, that one you failed to.
I have to find it again.
Yeah, me too.
I don't remember. If it's greater than the level of significance, you don't reject.
Okay, then we failed to reject.
Wait, did you do it to the power of negative 24? You gotta make sure to do that.
Oh yeah. Okay, so it's the
so-
third one.
So we reject.
Yeah. So it's the third one.
Oh, it's fucking. Why are you doing that?
Right. It's the 13 is the last one, right?
Yeah.
Why am I getting? Okay, so like my Excel wasn't working until right now, but I just plugged in all the info, but I'm not getting what you guys were getting.
Are you sure you put the data in the right column?
That's what I'm trying to see. So the response is the score, right?
The what is the score?
The score variable.
I know you said what is the score?
Response.
So
Yeah.
out of like the
response and the what's the other one? The confidence is the explanatory.
Okay, so that one was the first. Yeah.
Is that what you put in?
Yeah.
Is your confidence interval 0.95?
Yeah.
What did you get that was different?
So for question 9, I don't know if I moved something and maybe that's why I'm not getting it, but it shows up as like a 0 for B1 for the slope, I guess.
Do you have anything blank in there?
Nope, everything's filled in.
Wait, it says 0 or there's just nothing there?
It's a 0.000. I don't know what I freaking did.
Is X 6?
So like for like the line where it's X, it starts off with 4.34, 4.73, 5.28.
Okay, so under X, put 6.
Under X what?
Like where the exit, where it's confidence and prediction intervals for regression response, that part right there, the very first thing is X. Under that, the number should be 6.
Yeah.
It is 6?
Okay, because everything's in there, but I'm not getting their like right thing. I might have moved something, but who knows?
That's weird.
I don't know if he, I mean, he might be there, but I doubt he could be there that fast.
Okay, just keep going. I'm gonna put in the other data for like the next question because I'm not gonna be able to get this one.
Okay.
And even if I wasn't sure if you were like talking about like someone trying to get into the house, like if someone's locked out, like that's even bigger problem. You shouldn't do that.
So is the body length the independent, or I mean the dependent, and the head
Yeah.
length?
Because it's
Okay.
the one that's being predicted.
Yeah.
Um,
Body length is dependent. Okay.
I'm gonna get my own thing. Alright. I get you. Hopefully they can actually people understand. I need to. What time is Brian's school?
Would the margin of error be 10.801?
I'm still plugging in the numbers.
Okay. Alright.
Hold on. So how did you find the margin of error?
I wasn't sure if this is it or not, but it's just in the model summary, the error of the estimate. I don't know if that's the margin of error or not.
The 10.801.
Yeah.
Um, not sure.
Let me see.
I'm about to Google it.
It always asks about the margin of error, and it's never in the
Yeah.
stuff that we read and learn and stuff. It never
always like
talks
a-
about it,
Yeah.
but we're always asked about it.
I hate when
Pretty
they put
annoying.
that like on.
Oh yeah, it's different. The margin of error is the half width of the associated confidence interval.
So the lower bound for this one would be the negative 0.830.
No, I got 7.218.
Me too.
Heck.
I don't know what's wrong with your Excel, Carla.
I don't know.
I don't know what to do for the margin of error.
Don't either. I'm trying to look it up. I'm gonna see if I can find an Excel way to do it.
Yeah, you could always try and plug in formula. I just looked through the video and I didn't see anything about it.
Yeah, I did too. Hmm. So the real margin, the margin of error tells us how many percentage points the result differs from the population, right?
I think so, yeah.
And the other annoying thing is that this formula, the margin of error formula, is different for like every new thing we learn about. So I don't even know which
Yeah, you
one to
can't even
use.
go back to a different one and go on that.
Yeah.
Why do they not give us one for this?
You said it's different than the one that Excel says. What does that one mean? The error of the estimate.
So I just Googled the difference.
Uh-huh.
It says that the standard error of your proportion estimate is some number, and then it says the margin of error is the half width of the associated confidence interval. Like it just has two different definitions for it. I'm not really sure exactly what they are, but they're definitely different.
So can we find the margin of error using that? I don't know what we're supposed to do.
I know.
I never know what to do for this one. What do you like? Do you guys know how to do it? Like when they give you examples for like the test? Like there was a bunch of these in the last one.
Yeah,
That's
for this lesson, I don't know how to do it.
that's what Jordan and I were saying. For the other lessons, they gave us formulas, but this one it didn't say anything about it. And we can't use the other lessons' formulas because they're different.
Yeah. So I'm assuming that Excel has to give it to you. Like, there's no other way.
It does, but I don't understand how to get it. Like, you have to plug in certain numbers, and I don't really understand. Like, hold on, I'm gonna pull it up. It asks you to put the input Y range and the input X range. I don't really know what that means.
Okay, I found on Google, when calculating the margin of error for a regression, use the t-score for the critical value with degrees of freedom equal to n.
Okay.
The range of the confidence interval is defined by the sample statistic plus margin of error.
The t-score for the y-intercept or for the slope?
For the critical value.
Well, yeah, but it gives you two different.
It's degrees of, yeah, I don't know. Let me see if there's an example.
Oh, isn't the margin of error always like your critical value plus or minus some number?
Yeah, but the other side of that, the other side of the plus or minus is what changes.
Yeah. What did it say the formula is for the margin of error?
You said it was critical value plus or minus something.
It doesn't tell you what.
Well, for the proportion ones, it was
Well, I meant you said you Googled it and it gave you some answer.
oh, hold on. It's loading. It said it's the one that said use the t-score for the critical value.
And then what?
The video doesn't even say anything about it, though.
Did you guys look in the actual like textbook?
Yeah.
That's what I'm to do.
My computer's being really slow. Sorry. I just googled margin of error formula linear regression.
Uh-huh.
If you wanted to look it up. Just what I read to you before.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, in the online textbook it says nothing about margin of error.
No.
No.
I don't know then. I have no idea.
I can't find
Were we given anything else? I'm like, how could they want us to do this without giving us any information? There must be missing something. Well, what's 18?
Hold on. 18.
Wait, what do you guys get for the lower and upper?
Lower is 7.218.
Mm-hmm.
The upper is 8.103.
Yep.
Wait, what?
8.103.
That's for the upper?
Yeah. You get 18 yet?
No. I'm putting the answers in the chat box because we always have to read them together.
Wait.
I mean, I don't mind reading it to you guys. I just thought it's easier.
Yeah, no, that's a lot. I don't know what the heck is wrong with my Excel, but I'm getting completely different answers. I need to figure this out before the test.
Yeah, that's really weird.
But
Yeah.
I haven't had a problem with this until here and there, but not as bad as you know.
I think 18 is we are 95% confident. Are we just going to leave the margin of error one blank?
Ugh, I hate that, but I don't know what to do.
We could always just, if we're going to leave it blank, if that's our only option, we could just put in the error of the estimate one, just to try.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So is it 10.801? Do you agree with 18?
Yeah. What was the word? I mean, what was the number?
For what?
15?
15?
15?
15 is 10.801. I'm guessing.
10.80. Yeah. I'm just gonna put it in here so that we can keep track of what we wrote.
I'm just gonna submit it and see what we get.
Okay.
Yeah, 5 wrong.
Which one?
We got 15 wrong. Surprise, surprise. We got 8 wrong. But it sucks because we don't know which ones are wrong and which ones are right. It says 0 out of 1 point.
Dang it.
7 is wrong. 6 is wrong. 5 is wrong.
That's 5. Okay, can you guys see the chat box? What's in it?
Yeah.
I don't know what you're talking about. On the
It says group chat.
oh, I see it.
Okay, the residuals are all positive. That's not it. Maybe 5 is when you see a pattern in the residuals. Because that's kind of like saying all of the above.
So 5 is pattern.
But doesn't it say that you
I don't
don't
know.
see a pattern?
That's what I thought. Hold on.
I'd say either the megaphone one or the you see a pattern. I'm pretty sure it's not the first two.
No.
Yeah, it says if linear regression is appropriate, then the residual plot will show no patterns and
So-
will consist of a random scatter.
So the megaphone?
Yeah, I'm gonna go with that.
Yeah.
We got 6 wrong. You said it formed a linear pattern, and I'm pretty sure it did.
Were they negative at all?
No.
So it has to be the first one. But
But the first one indicates that some were negative.
yeah, I know. That's what I was just gonna say.
I don't know how I don't know. I don't think it's the last one, so I'm gonna go with the first one.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what the heck. That one. Okay. And 7 and 8.
So they're right skewed.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say clearly not normal.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and 8 is the doozy.
Yeah, I don't even know.
What's the difference between a scatter plot and a residuals plot?
I don't really know.
I thought that
I
was
don't
the
even
same
know what
thing.
even is a residual plot.
Yeah, I thought it was a scatter plot.
So So I just Googled it, and I guess one is like the pattern goes like either like positive or negative, and then the residual has like a horizontal pattern. Like they all line up, I guess.
Okay.
I wish I could show you this picture. If you Google it, there's an example. So instead of like the hot dog thing, you don't see that because they're scattered.
Yeah. Sucks because we don't know which ones we got wrong and which ones we got right.
Oh.
Uh,
I remember that I was pretty confident about the linear relationship.
Wait, did you create a scatter plot? I just realized that the question asks you to create a scatter plot of the data.
Yeah, the one in Excel.
But that's a residual plot, isn't it?
Well, yeah, when I did it, I thought that it was the same thing.
Oh
mhm.
Well, I don't know what to do.
yeah. I'm gonna stick with the observations are independent.
Maybe not the X's are measured without error.
Actually, I don't think that they are independent.
Do you think that they're normally distributed?
No. I don't think they're independent. I heard it that time.
This is going to be a new game.
I don't know. I'm about to just start guessing. I'm getting tired.
Yeah.
What are you guessing? I would guess the first one and
The second to last.
Yeah, I'd put the second to last one.
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
So those two.
Sure.
Cool.
And then we got 9 right. Right?
Yeah, the next one is 15 that we got wrong. So,
Can you tell me what 9
all right.
was?
I think no matter how long I stay on this, I'll never know how to do it without someone telling me. So I'm okay to just get one wrong.
What's 9?
12.695. What was our grade with 5 wrong? Do you remember?
I think it was a 72.
Not me to turn it in.
Sure. I'm still putting in all the answers. You turn it in.
Here, give me 1 sec.
Wait, we got 18 wrong. Didn't we?
Didn't you say we?
Maybe not.
No, we got it right.
Okay. It's the we are 95% confident.
Yeah.
Okay, so we missed 4 still.
4?
Yeah.
Which one did we get right?
Well, we missed 5, 15, 7, and 8. Maybe I put something in wrong.
Yay, we got 6 right.
Okay, so for 5, we got 5 wrong. It would have to be one of the first 2. I'm just gonna plug in. I'm just gonna put random stuff. I'm gonna put more.
Then it has to be normally distributed.
Yeah. Okay, 6 is right. 7 we got wrong.
Yep.
Yeah, so
Fairly normal.
7 has to be fairly normal.
8, I don't even have a clue. I might just leave that one. I just selected all of them.
I just put normally distributed.
What?
I just put normally distributed. Okay, I'm submitting it. I only got 2 wrong.
What?
So did you get 8 right?
Oh, let me see. No.
Dang.
But there are so many different possible combinations that there's no way we
Yeah,
guess.
that's what I just guessed. So was 5 right?
Yeah, we just got 8 and 15 wrong. So you guys submit your number 8 guesses, and maybe you can get me 19 out of 18.
How the fuck did you not do it? You know, she just like,
I don't know.
what a fun.
Yeah, I got 2 wrong, so I got the same ones wrong.
Dang it.
I'm fine with that, honestly.
What about you, Carlita?
Okay, so wait, what did you guys do for 8 so I can do the opposite?
I clicked all of
I
them.
did.
You clicked
I
on
did. A, C, and D.
so
But there's so many combinations, so
Yeah.
it could be just one, it could be 2, it could be 3, it could be so many. So we don't have enough guesses.
I'll try it.
You submit it?
No, I'm still filling in the rest of the question. All right.
You get your resume done. Did you get more done than you had before?
How good is that done?
I didn't get it right.
I think you go to halfway reading. I got pissed off and I was frustrated, so you know.
Did she answer you all?
Yeah, but she just kept telling me stuff I already know. Like, I already know how to do it. I don't know what the hell to say. Like, what do I say? What do I say?
I don't know.
I gotta go. Austin's gotta go.
All right, so I picked the first 2 and they were wrong. So I give up.
Okay. All right.
Cool.
Meet
Good
Thursday.
meeting.
Yeah, we'll meet Thursday.
Okay.
See you then.
All right,
See ya.
cool. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.